Hello and welcome to another exclusive review with me, Alex Belfield, here at CelebrityRadio.biz, where last year we had over 8 million minutes viewed on YouTube. This week we focus on TRUMP National in Doral, Miami, Florida. Purchased by the Trump Organization in June 2012, the Doral Golf Resort and Spa has undergone dramatic restoration to recapture the resort's early grandeur and glamour. Doral is just 15 minutes from the airport and 25 minutes from South Beach. The grounds are spectacular, the pools are divine, and the restaurants are fine dining. The hotel offers 5-star decadence and indulgence from the second you arrive. The property is enormous and can be busy during conference season. You can enjoy an exclusive review with us, showing pictures of the rooms, the restaurants, the golf course, and of course the wonderful pools. Every aspect of the resort has been completely transformed in order to bring the new TRUMP National Doral Miami to the highest level of luxury. Similar to the finest Vegas resorts, it has an elegance and 5-star level of service that is synonymous with the TRUMP brand. It's modern, impeccably clean, beautifully designed, and has a feeling of decadence from the moment you arrive. The pools at TRUMP are some of the best I've ever seen anywhere in the world. This prestigious 800-acre resort boasts a completely redesigned clubhouse, new deluxe and suite accommodation. The rooms really are beautiful. Non-golfers won't be bored at TRUMP. There's wonderful restaurants, bars and shops throughout the property. The spa is world-class, opens 7 days a week, and has an indoor and outdoor pool. The main pool at the centre of the resort is beautifully positioned and offers a rare oasis of calm and relaxation in the craziness of Miami. This is a busy and bustling town. The rooms at TRUMP Doral are naturally decadent and offer 5-star extravagance, everything that you would expect from TRUMP. Decorated in gold and white, this truly is the epitome of luxury. There are no villas as such at this hotel, although the suites are enormous and spacious. They are called villas, but they don't have kitchens from what I understand. The golf course is one of the best in the world and naturally exceptional. There is a reason South Florida is synonymous with great golf. The weather doesn't hurt either. First opening its doors in 1962, Doral was fashioned with golf at its core. TRUMP National Doral Miami is home to 4 unique courses, including one of the world's most famous golf courses. That's, of course, the Blue Monster course. With the most recent course transformations of Red Tiger, Golden Palm and Silver Fox, TRUMP National Doral sets itself apart from others by offering distinct and exciting golf experiences on the property. If you are looking for a home-from-home feel with a villa, with a kitchen and everything that you would need to have an extended stay, the Marriott Doral Villas next door, just a 2-minute walk away, is perfect for you. That's where we stay, and they also offer full access to the TRUMP with a 10% discount. Running out the resort's golf experience is the LED lit practice facility, the state-of-the-art tailor-made performance lab, and Jim McLean Golf Schools, ranked consistently #1 golf school in the country. You'll have a blast. There is also a running track to enjoy the grounds if golf is not your thing. The gym is well equipped, as you would expect, and has trainers should you require them. You have a beautiful view overlooking the course from the gym too. Treatments in the spa are reasonably priced for this quality of hotel and can be booked on the day depending on availability, of course. They're open 7 days a week. As for food, BLT Prime is my favourite restaurant at TRUMP Doral, which is wonderful dining experience with exceptional service and perfectly simple and enjoyable food. You cannot fail to be impressed by the view over the golf course and the wonderful atmosphere inside and out. Of course, Doral is a busy town, and there are many shops you can walk to within 5 or 10 minutes. Final note on BLT Prime, their bread is fabulous. English Yorkshire pudding with a touch of Gruyere cheese, perfect. So then do take advantage of the outside seating at the restaurant. The sunny, humid Miami weather is perfect. A jacket is certainly not required. The food is beautifully served, offering a menu of bacon, fish and shrimp to begin. For mains, there is a choice of steaks, salads, including lobster chop salad, my favourite, and ribs, which you'll enjoy. Don't miss the tuna tartare. It was truly excellent. Dessert is also exceptional, but I doubt you'll have room for that. Big portions, as you would expect from TRUMP's signature restaurant. The pool is truly sensational and the highlight of my visit to TRUMP Doral. It is certainly beautiful and you'll have a wonderful time. So there you go. That's my review of the TRUMP Doral National, which is here in Doral, Miami. You've been listening to another review by me, Alex Belfield, here at CelebrityRadio.biz, where you'll also find a review of all the attractions here in Miami and, of course, the Doral Villas if you want a slightly cheaper stay and a full villa experience with kitchen, etc., and laundry facilities in room. You can find that by going to the website at at www.celebrityradio.biz, where last year we had over 8 million minutes viewed on YouTube. Check out all of our interviews and reviews at www.celebrityradio.biz. Ta-da!